Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. The Exynos Galaxy S21 Ultra battery life seems impressive. We know that Samsung already know it that the Exynos 990 was an embarrassment of a flagship mobile processor and it had a poor efficiency compared to Snapdragon 865 and 865 Plus. And it couldn't sustain performance over a long period without throttling its frequency to keep things cool. And Samsung used the chip for all its flagship last year except for its foldable, making those devices a lot less desirable for many Samsung fans. The Exynos 9820 that powered the Galaxy S10 series in 2019 wasn't great either, but thankfully Samsung set it out, fixed its in-house chips for good with the Exynos 2100, mainly by getting rid of its custom processor cores and going with the standardized solution from ARMS, the same one Qualcomm uses for the Snapdragon 888. And it doesn't seem like Samsung claims of Exynos 2100 being a return from its chipset. So is the Exynos 2100 everything it's claimed to be? So the battery test that has been performed by TechDroid on his YouTube channel give us two different options where we can see that how the Exynos 990 and Snapdragon 888 processor has performed alongside with the S21 Ultra. The Exynos 990 processor, which is coming in the S20 Ultra, has the same battery capacity like 5000 mAh in it, and it is a fair comparison between the S21 Ultra and the S20 Ultra. It's not a surprise that Exynos 990 was one of the worst processors Samsung has ever put out, and it shows in the result as well, because it performed 7 hours and 33 minutes of screen time, whereas 8 hours 34 minutes for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Probably the reason behind that it is coming with a new and improved chipset inside. On the other hand, the Xiaomi Mi 11 has even performed better because it performed 7 hours and 50 minutes on the battery capacity that is lower than the Galaxy S20 and S21 Ultra. And 7 hours 50 minutes is absolutely amazing considering the fact that it was running on 120Hz on all three devices when it compared with the Apple A14 Bionic chipset. So it was obvious that Apple devices were running on 60Hz refresh rate and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra was running on 120Hz of refresh rate. So obviously iPhone has to perform better. On the other hand, the S21 Ultra, I think that it is going to be absolutely amazing just considering the fact that it is coming with a 5nm processor which is built in with the 5G support alongside with that, and also it is going to be coming with an adaptive refresh rate which is even more impressive right now. Gives us Samsung a leverage that their battery capacity has been improved from last year. But I'm very interested to see how the Galaxy S21 Ultra will perform when it is clocked to 60Hz of refresh rate. And honestly, I think that Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra battery capacity of 5000 mAh will easily beat the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Of course, we are still yet to see how the Exynos variant of the S21 series fare against the Snapdragon variant, though we should get an answer in coming days as reviewers for these devices start coming out. So fingers are crossed Samsung really has fixed what needed to be fixing for the Exynos processor, and we have to wait and see how it's going to perform for the long term. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the Galaxy S21 Ultra in the comment section below, and if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.